Teлекart Pribor Limited is one of the leading companies in Ukraine with closed cycle of production. From design of the equipment and software for specific purposes to training of customers' engineers as well as complex maintenance of the equipment. The enterprise consists of the following primary structures: Instrument Production Plant, Special Design Engineering Bureau and Sales Department headquartered in Odessa, Radio Communications Design Engineering Bureau in Sevastopol, branch office in Kiev. Our agencies are in Russia, Belarus, Uzbekistan and Kazakhstan. Since 1995, the enterprise has developed and put in serial production base stations for Ukr-Telecom, general-purpose communication service base stations for the Russian Federation, control systems, telephone line protection units, full spectrum of electronic watt-hour meters and electric energy accounting systems. Quant-E Automated Telephone System, ATS. Plastic cards with implantation of contact and contactless modules made by different manufacturers. Products to fulfill security, defense and law enforcement agencies' needs. Special Design Engineering Bureau and Radio Communications Design Engineering Bureau include leading designers in the field of microprogramming, circuit technology, development of the most intricate electronic equipment. Plant technologies. To enhance some production processes, such specific equipment as laminators and machines for making inlets for plastic cards, light staging tables for electronics package assembling is being developed, produced and implemented by our engineers. Plastics Casting Division. The Plastics Casting Division of the plant has the most up-to-date high-performance equipment of the leading world manufacturer of thermoplastic automatic machines, as well as German manufacturers of preliminary equipment. All processes are automated and are managed by energy control system. The Robotics Center has been placed for plastic basis casting of Smart Express electronic cards with productivity of 20 million bases per year. Aluminum and Rubber Casting Division. The Aluminum and Rubber Division of the Telecart Pribor Limited is oriented into two directions: aluminum alloys die casting, rubber from different blends casting. Galvanizing Division. Galvanizing Division has 3 processing lines. Routine processes allow a wide spectrum of coatings: metal, zinking, nickeling, coppering, titanium bismuth alloy plating, non-metal, chemical and anodic oxidation of aluminum, steel oxidation. During the development of plating technique, which is accepted in Western Europe, new compositions of baths have been successfully used. The workshop is equipped with up-to-date treatment facilities. Powder Application Division. Qualitative and rapid final polishing of the parts with galvanic coating is done at the Powder Application Division. Due to new materials, it is possible to get surfaces of different colors and structures. Mechanical production. Mechanical treatment of metals is done using up-to-date national and imported equipment, including the equipment with numerical program control. Junction of parts made from aluminum alloys is done by argon arc welding, which is provided by up-to-date units with consumable and non-consumable tungsten electrodes. Such treatment is special in terms of productivity and high quality of seam. High-speed milling is done using a modern machining center with numeric software. Tool production. Scientific and technological strength makes it possible to solve the most difficult tasks, from computer design of accessories and specific instrument to its production using native capacities. Up-to-date electrical discharge machining centers with numerical program control perform a wide range of operations and treatment of intricate profiles regardless of work material's hardness. Carcass press division. Carcass press division of our plant is equipped with precise coordinate turret presses with magazine for 43 sets of exchangeable tools and numerical program control system. Full automatic lathes division. Full automatic lathes division is equipped with high-precision linear automatic turret lathes, which makes it possible to get mass high-precision parts, reduce production time and concentrate operations. Production of electronic devices. We produce electronic modules using both classical technology of overhead assembly and state-of-the-art technology of surface assembly. Quality control is done by the Orbotech optical checking mechanism. To assemble the components to be inserted into holes, light staging tables are used, which have been made by our engineers. Setting up the components onto the printed circuit boards is done by the operator using laser beam controlled by PC. 2 automated units for soldering using ERSA solder alloy makes it possible to perform sequentially fluxing and mass soldering both single electronics packages and their groups. Electronics packages are cleaned from residual flux after soldering in the AquaJet automated washing unit. In-circuit electric testing performed at Pilot 40 and TR17 units allows testing of components and chains of constructively finished electronics packages. Cards production. Since 1995, Telecart Pribor has successfully worked in the market of plastic cards. More than 100 million cards have been produced since then. Since 2003, Telecart Pribor started production of contactless card. Special feature of its technology is the full cycle of inlets production using in-house designed automatic machines. Multi-point laminator has been developed and made at the plant, which allows an automated mode assembling of the form for contactless card, cartridge delivery into hot lamination unit and then into the cool down and cartridge disassembling station. Application of technologies with minimum human intervention makes our products of the highest quality. Testing Center. The testing center was developed with the purpose of constant improvement of the quality of production. It has been accredited by Ukrainian National Agency of Accreditation. This center has 3 organization departments. Test Laboratory aims at conducting all range of in-plant tests. Internal Tests Department, where standards of the leader are developed and implemented. Such standards facilitate the formation of firm test system. Test equipment, which is unique in Ukraine, allows the center to perform a wide range of tests, including the following: environmental camera with temperature range from -65 to 180 degrees Celsius and humidity up to 98%. vibratory system with sinusoidal and random vibration in the frequency range from 5000 Hz to 3000 Hz. Shield chamber with set of equipment for field intensity and radio interference voltage measurements. Test equipment for electromagnetic impact tolerance testing. Watt-hour meters verification unit. Contactless cards testing unit. Dust and sand salt spray chambers for military products testing. Quality control. Telecart Pribor uses quality control system in accordance with ISO 9001 international standard. Production Complex Acacia, production of military equipment. Production Complex Acacia was opened in 2006. This is an independent department where assembly and adjustment of military equipment and its modules is done. The complex is closed assembly site with highly qualified technicians and engineers. Instrument depot, quality control and product safety facilities. The following stages of testing are done here. Functional control, burn-in and hot and cold chamber, mechanical and electric training. If necessary, the device is tested for leak-proofness with quality service workmen's presence. All military products manufactured by Production Complex Acacia have undergone a number of tests by the customer's inspector as for correspondence with design documentation and operation according to specifications. Communication equipment. Field analog telephone TA01. Digital telephone DTA04. Portable VHF tactical radio R002. Manpack VHF tactical radio R005. Mobile VHF tactical radio R030. HF tactical radio R1150. Radio relay station R450. Digital automatic communication switchboard system K201. Army cross-connecting module KR351. Cross-connecting module KR352. Field switchboard K1210. Radio gateway R1261. Path switching and multiplexing equipment K1301. Gateway VoIP K1220. Equipment for local area network. Router A201. Ethernet switch A101. Digital cable modem M101. Server A5010. Charging units. Charging unit ZP11. Charging unit C1004. Charging unit C1001 and C1002. Hardware and software solutions. Multipurpose communication utility shed K1501. Command vehicle K1450. Container for Integrated Communication Facilities K01. Software and international military exercises. One of the most important trends of our work is development of the original software, which guarantees constant and accurate work of all equipment, which belongs to firmware communication complexes. It has been currently completed the design and manufacture of Troops Control System C2 Narada. This system was successfully tested on the possibility of text messages, orders and position data transmission as well as transmission of mapped situation. In the year 2008, during military exercise Combined Endeavor, the base version of the System C2 Command and Control Narada has received the highest rating of NATO Specialist and Conformance Certificate. All military products manufactured by Telecart Pribor Limited are designed in absolute compatibility with appropriate NATO systems, and all of our military products have the appropriate certificates. At present, Telecart Pribor Limited is strong and dynamically developing enterprise with large experience in communications field. By applying new quality management and control systems, our company aims at maximum performance and satisfaction of the most exacting customer demands. Telecart Pribor Limited is considered to be a successful, dynamic and responsible company, and this is illustrated by our numerous customers and partners in more than 20 countries around the world. Address: Lusdorf Road 162, Odessa, Ukraine.